Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so the next one is combo box. So in ASP.NET or MVC everywhere, we'll call combo box as drop down list. Okay, so but in Windows Forms, we'll call it as combo box. The name is different, but the functionality and everything is same. Okay, so now I'll just drag and drop one combo box. Maybe for other sessions we have classes tomorrow, but anyway, our C sharp is going to complete in next 4 5 days only. So I'm not taking any class for you guys, but my MVC will be there 9 to 10. So because we are on time and we are going to finish in 2 3 days. So before going to the Sankranti holidays only, we are going to finish our syllabus. Though that's the reason we don't have class for tomorrow. Okay. So see here, everyone. So make it username. So make it country, and I'll change it to output. Okay. Okay. So how the combo box will work? For example, if you want to select country from more than one item or something, then we'll go for combo box. Okay. So that is what the basic concept of our combo box. So see here now see, but there is no values, right? So how to add values to that? So we can add values to our combo box in two ways. So one is, so just right click on this icon. So after that, edit items. Okay, here just add India, USA, UK, or something like Pakistan. Okay, now just click on OK. So now run your program. So now see here, we are getting those added countries now. Okay, so this is one way, or else one more way also we can add. Okay, now one more way, right click, properties. So here you have option called items. See this one, collections. Here also you can add. See, if you run your program, see, there is no difference. Yes or no? Same way. Now I want to print, whatever the user selected, I want to print on my label. Okay. So one thing I want to tell you guys, after completion of our after completion of our C Sharp.net, maybe in the January after festival or something, or January, and so our MVC batch will start. Maybe 15-20 days gap will be there. Okay. So my suggestion for you guys. So meanwhile, go and join some other like SQL or HTML, whichever is not finished. If you are done with those courses, go for Angular or React. Finish them. So meanwhile, Angular or React are part of our. I don't know whatever our Naresh is offering. Angular, if they are offering, I for full stack, either one course you can opt. Okay, Angular or React. So if someone did not finish SQL or HTML, first priority should be given to them. Okay. So meanwhile, I don't want you people to waste your time for those 15-20 days or something. So once our batch starts, you people can come for our what? So our ASP.NET MVC. Okay. So like or if you don't have time or something, if any new batch starts in Naresh IT for MVC, if you want, you can go there, no problem. But if you want my session only, then this is my suggestion. But it's up to you guys. Okay. Because maybe 9 to 10. Uh, uh, they may go for new batches because That's what my suggestion, but it's not official. I don't know. Okay. Huh? After? No, no, after this festival, maybe January and or February first week like that. So that's why, see, what is happening. So meanwhile, you will learn something else. So one of my MVC batch is running now. Half of the syllabus is completed there. So maybe some more 15, 20 class or something. Once it is finished, they will start new. Okay. See, nothing wrong in waiting for 15, 20 days. So meanwhile, you guys can practice the things and also go for some other. Hey, you can ask my, if you have any other friends of my students, 90% of them, they will wait for my session. I don't know why, but I'm not saying like, it's up to you. If you have time, 15, 20 days or something, then you can wait. Sir, I don't have time. It's hurry burry for me. There is no other option. So then you can join any other sessions. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So, and my suggestion, so every trainer will have their own capabilities and talents and teaching style. Uh, don't compare my teaching with some other teaching with my teaching and all. So just enjoy your learning wherever you go. That's what I can tell. But so if you have time, so 15, 20 days is nothing, right? Meanwhile, you will finish something else also. We all will be, so we have that group and that group will be there. So at least for 1 year, I will keep all the groups. After 1 year, so you people will have my number, but so I will come out of the group. So see, so yesterday, one of my student who, so he is like 1.5 year back or 1 year back, he has finished completed his ASP.NET and C Sharp learning from me. So he called me and he told, "Sir, I went for one interview. One system test is happening. So I finished the task 90%, but for drop down, I need to fetch the data from drop down, sorry, database. So can you please help me?" So then he told, "So I'm from so and so batch." So I helped him, and that manager told like so he told 18 people went for that interview. Only one person cleared that system test, and he is the one. Okay. So then he called me and he told, "Sir, this is what." Then so that interviewer also told him, "This is true. If you don't trust me, also I will show that chart." So he told me, so because he finished 90% of task, only small thing is pending, but that is little complex for a fresher level. Then that interviewer told, "You can take help from anyone." Okay. Then he called me and I told him and I shared something. I shared one link and code. So this is what you need to do. That's what. But he has achieved. But finally, so he need to display the value, selected value somewhere, but he did not got it. Then that interviewer told, "We'll give you 2 days, finish it, and you can show us." That's what he told. I think he did not call me back. Means he got the job. Okay. So see, I always whenever you because you completed my batch, so I may not help or something. Don't think like that. I will, but I don't share my books. That is the only thing. Okay. Because so if you join some other batch, if I share my book, see everyone, so Vishwasar book is like that and that person book is like this. So people will definitely compare, right? So if you are comparing, or if it went to other people or something, then they will feel guilty for that. Even see, if someone is following some other book and coming back to me, "Sir, in that book that is so easy compared to your book." If someone told me in front of me, then what I will tell, "So please follow that book." That's what I will tell, right? So similarly, don't compare our books with anyone. It's my request. So everyone will have their own style. So my books are like I always use simple language. which everyone can remember. And my book's language, what I follow every time is, so whatever I explain in the class, the same lines I will keep them in our book. The reason for that, so whenever you refer that book, you will definitely get those concepts in your mind. And my books are very much latest. Okay, so previously, my first bundle, I have used old version, same book only. But if anyone met that people, if you compare that book and this book, completely different, because I have updated with Visual Studio 2022. Okay, for .NET Core and all. So obviously, when the days are changing, so maybe some other people books will be different. And my book is like 110 pages only, not more than that. Because for every concept, I will keep one or two examples only. But some other books, what they will do, they will keep 15-20 examples. So if you want to perform addition, so if you write that addition program once, that is fine. So for the same addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we don't need to keep right. So one program is enough. You need to do on your own. So that is the reason. Otherwise, my book also will. So if I keep all my prepared programs, so my book will definitely reach 200 or 250 pages. Because what? I almost shared 100 programs with you guys. So 100 programs means what? 100 pages. So if you copy from that line number one using system to last line, or Windows form means what? See, you'll keep this design and you will keep the code, then 2 pages will come or 1.5 page. So, then people will feel like so complicated. So, people will feel so complicated with the book and all. That is the reason whatever is required for our learning, I'll keep in our book. Sometimes some extra things I will teach separately, right? So, sometimes some theory and all I will give from my notepad. Okay. So, why, sir? For that also we have one reason. If everything if I keep in my book, then what is the use? Like, why you need to come here, and so simply you can open that book and you can get it. But every time what I feel is classroom explanation is better than anything else. Okay. So that's what I want to share with you guys. Okay. So so but for that 15-20 days, don't waste the time. Go for Angular or React. If you did not finish SQL, SQL, or HTML, go for them. First priority for those two sessions. Second priority for what is that? Angular or React. So meanwhile, our session will start. So you can, if both are overlapping, also come for our session. Okay, later again you can continue for that. So meanwhile, you people don't waste the time. And so before 1 week, our new session begins at something, or 10 days before, I will I will give some tasks and programs to practice. I will inform you guys in that group, do revision on so and so concepts. I will tell in the group, just follow that. Once our session start, that will helpful for you for your ASP.NET and MVC learning. Okay, so that's fine. And so whoever finds from our batch, someone. Okay, so that's why I want to share this information with you guys. But but okay, you people need to wait for the schedule. Okay, that is, but one thing that is not in my hands, I cannot do anything. Okay, cool. So so I want to take one more button here. Okay, so on my button, when I click on submit button, I want to display username and selected country. Okay, so so simple. So just take string country equals to, so combo box one dot selected item dot to string. Okay. So I want to print that in my label b dot text equals to, that's it. Okay. Please, we'll discuss all those things. So my voice is still breaking. My Maybe my voice is coming little low because again I'm not feeling well. So because of this atmosphere changes and all. So I have this throat again. Okay. Okay. So link you, we'll see that in our MVC only. Okay. So see here. So keep this MVC duration and all, we'll discuss there only, not here. Okay. So so here so here now run your program and let's check the output. Okay. So let's now it won't print username. Any reason? We did not append it, right? Naresh IT. So change, select some country. See USA is displaying. Okay. So here if you want to add username, text box. Mhm. One dot text. You guys become so active now because you don't need to get more scolding from Vishwa sir, right, Vani? Huh? Okay, so now it will come. India, Naresh IT. You are from India. Okay. So if you want to add something else, you can. Okay. So now how to add items to your drop down? Okay. So I will give. Here, everyone. So we can also give default value also. It's not there in Windows Forms again. Hmm. Tell me, unable to hear you. Mm. Okay, so the theory for combo box I'll just explain. So this is also called as drop down list. It is used to select one item from given list. Okay, how to add items? Right click on properties, add. So and select items collection and enter the values. Okay. So we can add values combo box in two ways. Okay, so one is what? So click on combo box, edit items, press enter. After entering value, click on OK. So both the ways we can add our values. Okay. So I will remove this one, duplicate line. So that country. So when you're seeing date of birth, you are selecting from date, month, year. So 90% used to select one item only. So if you are writing, so in Angular there is a concept called directives. So if you generate, you need to write your own custom code for multi-select drop-down. Okay, front end. From front end only, you need to do that. Okay, this 130 people, and there you will get new friends. Some more 100 people. It will be more than 220, 230 people. You people can show your talent to them also. So now tell me when you will submit that mini project. Now we are going to discuss about one project. Before Sankranti, I will give 3 days only. Huh? Okay. So see, your project consists of, you know, first name, last name, password, languages known, and country, and also gender. See, gender radio button needs to be taken there. Okay. So I have already have gender program. We already have checkboxes program. We already have drop down or combo box program. So now the biggest question here is how to use for saving those values in our database. That is the thing. So some people will use label, or some people will simply close the race and copy paste that code. Okay. But so now you people need to think innovatively, and you people need to write that code. Let's see how many of you will do, how many of you will seek my help. Hmm? Vani is saying something, and Vani is calling someone. Where is Ravi? Ravi, why? What happened? Fever. Okay, he's joining online. Okay, cool. I will give you notepad, Priyanka. What is 180? Vamsi? I don't know. What is 180? Tell me here. Okay, done. Shall we move to program? Where is Salar? 180. Salar, what is 180, yaar? You want to give 180 rupee biryani to everyone? Vamsi. Vamsi has so many fans here. Okay. In that group, you are saying, so 180 plus 100. So at least 220, 230 will come to our MVC. Okay, done. So in that 180 again, some 15, 20 people will join from outside. Okay. So join outside in the sense, sorry? No, no, no. Not US. Here only. So they'll take that group link and they will join without my permission also. Okay, now go for design. Make it fast. I'll explain that project. Done with the program. Program అయిపోయిందా? So username text box, country drop down, combo box, and output button. So yesterday someone told he is unable to get properties window. Who is that? Maybe he did not came offline today. So see, I also face the same issue now. Simple, I close the project and I create a new one. It worked for me. Okay, do the same. So sometimes Visual Studio, so you will work on so many things. So it will work. If you go to office and if you open Visual Studio, if you run the program, it stops working. So you will spend 2 hours or 3 hours of time to fix that issue. But nothing will solve your issue. If you restart your mission, it will work automatically. What is that magic? We don't know. So, like from past 7, 8 years, 9 years, when I'm seeing, I always try to see that issue. And so, simple magic. If you close your Visual Studio, open it, or if you restart your mission, it will work. Okay, now double click on button and write the following code. Then, so that selected item will be in different format. That's why we need to convert. So it will come with index and value. So that's why. So there is one option called selected value also, I think. Okay. So just if people can try with that also. Okay. So now I am moving. Now I'm moving to project. So this is our program. So I won't explain multiple times. Just listen carefully. So the first thing I need four web forms. Okay. So create database and table. That is the first point. So page one. The title of page one should be registration. So I want fields first name, last name, username. Gender should be radio button, password, confirm password, email, phone number, address, languages known, age, country. Okay. If someone is taking text box for languages known, I don't agree for that. So you need to go with check boxes only. Okay. So gender, I want radio button only. Country, I want combo box only. If you are not doing that, I don't agree for that. Okay. So, and one button, register button. Okay. So now, if you click on register, if registration is successful, it should redirect to my form 2. Okay. It should redirect to my form 2. In that form 2, what I want. In form 2, see, I want a message like registration successful. Okay. Click on login button to check the details. Okay. Just simple message. Okay. So registration successful. So click on login button to check the details. Okay. So when user, if it is not working for you, just go with a button. Anything is fine. So when user click on button, it should redirect to page 3. So in the page 3, I want three things: username, password, login. So the most complex task of your project is this page only, page 3. In your page 3, so when you enter username, okay, so based upon your username, you need to get the password from database. Okay. So how you people want to do, you guys can do that. So I will check that code. Okay. If no one is able to get that, if no one is able to get that, I will tell in one of our session how to get that. Uh, Sorry. What is difficulty? Page 3, username text box, password text box, and login button. So page 3 is this one only. 2 or 3. Okay. So here. Okay. So so now in my page 3, I will I will tell the logic also. Wait. I will tell one clue for that. You need to use execute scalar. Clue number 1. Okay. So clue number 2, select password from table name where username equals to. I don't repeat that query again. Okay. So that's it. Only one time. Okay. So now see, you need to use execute scalar because you need to get only one value, right? Password value. Simple. If you learned SQL Server, you people will definitely know when you are passing username, based upon that, you need to get the password. Okay. So, like, I don't need negative scenarios, only positive is fine. Okay. When you are entering correct username and correct password, so you need to compare the text box value you entered and the database value. If both are fine, then it should redirect to page 4. Okay. What is there in page 4? I will tell. If we have time, we'll finish today only. Okay. Okay. This is what my requirement. Okay. Now we have 4 pages. Page number 1, registration. Simple your ADO.NET, connection oriented architecture. Okay. So when you click on save, all values should save in database. That's it. So, so, okay. So now page 2, simple. I want a message. What is that message? Registration successful. Click here for login. One button. Okay. That's it. Nothing else there in the page 2. When you click on login, it should go to page 3. Okay. In page 3, I want you people to keep username, password, and login button. Okay. Now here, password. See, if you people like, so I told one program for that. So see, all the programs I have given, but you need to know how to use them. Okay. So like I have given like, username equal to narration and password equal to ABC123. If you people are doing like that, I don't agree. Your password value you need to retrieve from database only. Then only I will agree for that. Otherwise, no. Okay. So that is your page 3. And page 4 for no blank screen, but I will teach that program now only. Page 4. Okay. That's it. So this is the mini project for you guys. In ASP.NET, so we have very big project. So I mean, we'll increase so many things and we'll go for validations and we'll have so many things for that. So that will be your extended project there. But this is mini project. Okay. I already shared in our group. I already shared the document in your group. You people can check now. So online people, anyone have any doubt? Online people, if anyone want me to explain, I'll explain. Please don't ask me, sir, what is page 2, what is page 3, what is page 4. Don't ask me again and again. So, yeah, Vamsi, tell me, what is your doubt? I will help. Uh, okay. Uh, okay. So, online people, so like Jyoti, Kirti, Vamsi, Amit, Ansari, Atul, Bhargavi, Siri, Ipshita, Jansi, Ramya, Neha, Jyoti Kiran, Sai Pravallika, Sai Sampath, Saujanya, Monica, Venkat, Yashwant, Ritvik. So no one has any questions on that? Online people, are you guys clear? If you're clear, say yes. If you're not clear, say no. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Super cool. Okay, okay. I'm so happy for that. Everyone said clear. Okay, done. Okay, that's it. So when you will submit? Today, end of the day? Shreya is saying today only. Yes. Salar. So when is that Salar 2 man? Tell me. Vani, 2025. No, when you will submit. So if you say next half an hour, I will feel so happy. Sir, చేస్తావా లేదా? Okay. Okay, online. Oh, Santosh is saying today. Wow. See, your online friends are saying today only. Today, everybody sees how many people told like almost 6, 7 people, sir, how to write all code, read a button, checkbox one time. So we already have all the code right, Jyoti. So you need to use that. And Jyoti, one more doubt. Did not finished your ASP program? So Neeraj is saying today, Santosh is saying today, Vamsi is saying today, Saujan is saying today. So many people are saying today only. Mhm. Okay. She already done that project in ASP.NET because she is coming to my ASP.NET session also. Mhm. Oh, Ansar is saying today, cool. Hmm. Okay, done. So, okay, I'm not that much selfish, but by Monday I want to see. Hmm? Okay, done. Yes or no? Done. They will share code with me only. Okay, cool. But that login page, I want to check how you people will do. Okay, you are slow in the race. No problem. I want to finish. I want everyone should finish. That's it. Okay, so see here, everyone. Now that last page is there, right? That program also I'll give now. So if I have that code, I can directly open it, or else C sharp, where it is. This one, Windows. This alignment, multiform, which one? Oh my god, this is not there. Okay. Okay. Ah, yes. Okay. You guys don't want the page 4? Then listen carefully. Left, right, center, red, green, blue. Okay. So now what we need to do in our last phase? First, I will take the text box. If someone is speaking, I'll stop here only. I told my throat is gone. Maybe I cannot speak tomorrow. List something we need to take it here. List. Group box. Okay, now drag and drop two group boxes here. Okay, and take one more group box. Please move here. Okay, see here. One beautiful magic will come now. Seriously, you'll see the magic. Please design up. Where is that? This one. Okay, right click properties. This one make it color. Okay, and this one make it alignment something. Okay, now okay, now what we'll do? Any guess? Yes. Who want to tell? Huh? Red button. Seriously? PQR. Where is that? This one. Copy, paste, paste. So Vani will ask which paste, sir? Dabur red. Wow, super. Paste, paste. Okay, we'll change the color of this form also. Or we want to increase, we want to insert that. What is that? That image. Okay. We can come here. That's why I always see these first benches are like no one is sitting there. Then why you are going there? It's your mistake only. Yes or no? Okay. So color. Tell me, what is your favorite color? Ah, okay. First we'll go with, oh no, green. Okay. Next, black. I don't know whether black will display here or not. BLSEK. Okay. Next, red. We'll go with red only. Now here, alignment. Left, right, center. Oh, your online friends are saying something. I missed their messages. Yellow. Hmm. So we can keep 5 more red buttons and we can keep all the rainbow colors here. Okay. So now center, left, right. Done. Okay. So now double click on radio button one. That's it. So simple. This text color, if you want to change, we'll go for four color property, color dot green. So here you can see all the colors, red, yellow, green, everything. Okay. Whatever you want, you can keep here. Okay. Similarly, I will copy this beautiful line and double click on radio button 2, your favorite black. Okay. So double click on red radio button. So just make it red. Okay. So that's it. So where you are writing code now? Radio button. Okay. Okay. Now double click on radio button 4. That is left. Double click on second radio button. Make it center. Okay. Now radio button last one. That is it. Right. Right is right. Okay. Now run the program and see the magic. Okay. So here enter Naresh IT. Okay. I'll try to maximize. Now make it green. Green. Let's try with black. Always it will, by default, it will accept black only. If people miss that logic, we wasted one color, red, right? Now make it center. Click on right, left, center, black, green. This page I want in your page 4. Okay. So first design. Or if you people remember, if you people remember the code, don't write. So how is the program? Very easy. Ah, ಅದರಿಂದ Okay. So Salar is saying something, looking like a wow. What about other two lines? So beautiful. Okay. So done. So can I go to code? My suggestion. So now note down, double click on radio button one and write the following code. My suggestion, one for color, one for alignment. Note down like that. That is enough, right? Just you need to change the colors only. Okay, now write like that. Otherwise, you people will be confused. Double click on radio button one and write the following code. So double click on radio button one and write the following code. So this code. Okay, done. Not done. Hmm? Button, text color, four color, border color. We have there in properties, right? These only. Okay. One is enough. One radio button, one and one radio button four. One. Because same, we are just changing the colors, right? That's why I'm saying. Okay, now double click on radio button 4 and write the following code. You need to write the double click on radio button 4. Otherwise, definitely you people will confuse. Okay. Okay. Fine then. So see here, everyone. So thank you all for coming and joining. We'll meet again on Monday. Start with your project. If anyone need help, please connect with me. I will definitely help.